Good morning, students. Welcome back to Day Learning classes. This is your science period. How are you all? Good. So, students, today we will continue with our reading and explanation of lesson 4, animals that helps us. All right. This is part 3 of this reading and explanation. All right. So, all of you be ready with your science books, page number 39. All right. So, students, till now we have studied about wild animals, domestic animals, farm animals, pet animals. Then we studied about things that we get from farm animals. Alright, now today we will learn some more things that we get from farm animals. Okay, so all of you be ready with your science books. So, now let's start our today's work. So, students, let's start our today's work. So, all of you be ready with your science books. Today we will continue with our reading and explanation of lesson 4, animals that help us. Alright. So, all of you be ready with your science books, page number 39. Alright. So, students, we were discussing about things that we get from farm animals. And I told you that we get milk and milk products from animals like cow, buffalo, goat, camel. All these animals gives us milk, and from this milk we make milk products like curd, cheese, butter, ghee, etc. Alright, then we get eggs and meat from farm animals like hen, duck, geese. All these animals gives us eggs and meat. Then what else we get from farm animals? We get honey and wax. Honey, we get honey from bees, and wax is also from bees. So, and the home of bees is called beehives. Alright. So, now today we will learn some more things that we get from farm animals. Alright. So, first of all, write down today's date. Today is 4th, 8th, 2021. Write down CW. Underline the date and CW. Alright. So, we get wool and silk. So, we get wool and silk from farm animals. We get wool from body hair of sheep and silk from silkworm. From where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Alright, and we get silk from silkworm. Alright, so we get wool from sheep and silk from silkworm. Wool is used to make sweaters, blankets, and other winter clothes, which keeps us warm. So, students, during winter season we used to wear woolen clothes as it keeps us warm. So, from where do we get woolen clothes? We get woolen clothes from wool, and we get wool from sheep. Alright, so we get wool from sheep, which is used for making woolen clothes. Silk is used to make saris, scarves, dresses, and ties. So, we get silk from silkworm, and that silk is used for making silk saris, silk scarves, silk dresses, and silk ties. Alright, see this diagram. This is a diagram of a sheep and wool. This is sheep, and the hairs on the body of sheep is called wool, and this wool we get wool from sheep. So sheep is a source of wool. See this diagram. This is a diagram of a silkworm. This is a silkworm, and from this silkworm we get silk. This is silk, and this silk is used for making silk products like silk saris, silk scarf, dresses, and various other things. Alright. Do you know, just like humans, sheep can recognize the faces of at least 50 other sheep and remember them for several years. As we human beings, when we meet someone, we recognize that person, the face of that person. Or when we meet that person after several years, we can recognize that we met that person several years ago. So what happens? We recognize the face of that person. In the very same manner, sheep can also recognize face of 50 other sheep, and they can remember that for several years also. All right. So now what else we get from sheep is, what else we get from farm animals is leather. We get leather from farm animals. Leather is obtained from the skin of animals like camel, deer, rabbit or buffalo. So we get leather from the animal skin of animals like camel, deer, rabbit and buffalo. The skin of animals is used for making leather. It is used to make articles like bags, shoes or jackets. You all must have seen the leather bags, leather shoes, leather jackets. So we get all these things from skin of animals. See, this is leather jacket, this is leather shoe. All right. So there are various things that we get from animals. They are very helpful for us. Okay. Transportation. Animals are also used for the purpose of transportation, means moving from one place to another. Animals like horses, donkeys, bull and camels are used to carry people and heavy loads. So there are many animals which are used for the purpose of transportation, for carrying people and things from one place to another. Like animals like horses, donkeys, bull and camels. People use these animals for the purpose of carrying people from one place to another and for carrying heavy loads. All right. Camel is called the sheep of desert because camel carries people from one place to another. Horses, donkey, bull, all these animals are used for carrying people and things from one place to another. See, this is bull and this is cart. So it is used for carrying things from one place to another. Okay. Do you know the dung of animals such as horse, cow, buffalo and camel is used as manure to improve the quality of soil for growing plants? The dung of these animals like horses, buffalo, cow, camel is very good for the growth of plant. So as it improves the quality of the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. All right. So the dung of these animals is used as a manure for the plants, as it improves the quality of the soil. All right. So students, I hope things are clear to you all. All right. So now it's your homework time. Write down your today's homework. So your homework is today is 4/8/2021. This is your science homework. Your homework is draw and color silkworm. In your copy. So you all have to draw and color the silkworm in your copy. It is given on page number 39. given on page number 39. So you all have to draw it and color it also. All right, see, this is a diagram of a silkworm. So you all have to draw silkworm, and this is silk, so you all have to draw the complete diagram. All right, so I hope things are clear to you all. So students, that's all in this video. If you are having any confusion, you can ask me and clear your doubts. I'm here to explain you. All right, so thank you so much. See you in the next video.